So as you can see from the packaging, I got this from Amazon. It's really quick shipping. I have Prime, so 2-day shipping. And it's a box within a box. Okay, so this is where I got the pot from. It's from Potey, and they reached out to me on Instagram. Cool. So it comes to about $20 on Amazon. Oops, broke the styrofoam, but look at, it's very nicely packaged. Classic white pots, so there's little grooves, because for the water to come out, and there's a drainage hole. And look, there's a little piece of, I'm not sure what this is, but it's to cover the drainage hole so the dirt doesn't come out. And it comes with a nice saucer. And then there's a second one, which is the same thing. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing. I'll have to figure out what I want to put inside. But yeah, very classic, sleek design. I'll be back. Okay, so this is mid-November now, and I guess I forgot about finishing up this video. Here are the planters. I have 2 Hoyas in there. These leaves are kind of droopy because the stem is broken here. I've been meaning to cut it completely and maybe try to start to root it again, but never got around to it. But it's been there since like summer, and again it's November now. So I have actually not even planted the Hoyas in. They're 4-inch pots, fit in perfectly. So I'm using them as a cash pot now. And yeah, they look very nice. So sorry this one took so long. Thanks for watching and have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.